Hey, it's Mr. Peace here at Dolsen Elementary in New Hudson, Michigan, part of the South Lyon School District. And just an amazing time getting to share my heart today with the pre-K through fifth graders, a part of the after-school program here, a part of the Dolsen Kids Club. And this is the home of the Dolphins. Obviously, we have the name and a very beautiful montage mural on the back there, and not too far from the main office lobby. I love what I see on the board here. Obviously, Dolphins, right? You see there, but we can zoom in a little bit more about, what they truly stand for here at Dolsen. And the D, demonstrating kindness, right? N, that we're needed in our community, right? S, standing up for what's right. And that's really what I tried to hammer home in today's topic, which was bullying, but more importantly, looking at someone's heart first. And that is needed now more than ever to demonstrate that kindness, to stand up for what's right as it relates to others that have no voice or a small voice, to be their champion and to really be the change that we want to see in this world. We always talk about that quote from Gandhi. We talk about the quote from Dr. Martin Luther King Jr., and we're pretty close to MLK Day here in January, which is the time is always right to do what is right. And what is right is to treat everyone with that same compassion, treat everyone that, basically the same way that you treat your own best friend. And if we can do that, if we can see people for their heart first before anything else, I believe that the bullying really does stop, because now all of a sudden you're looking at someone for who they truly are, right? We talk about how our heart is big as our fist, right? If we are able to let love, peace, compassion, empathy, acceptance, non-judgment fully enter into here, we can turn this, into a peace sign. One finger for ourselves, the other for someone we're trying to lift up higher than ourselves by what we say or do, hopefully something positive. But also two, because in just 2 seconds, one breath, one heartbeat, one action, one word, 2 seconds, we can say something or do something that stays on someone's heart forever in a great way or in a negative way. And so to think about already at a young age, what you want to be remembered for, and hopefully it's someone that's respectful, somebody that's choosing to turn any hurt that you might have in your heart, a big reason why I see people bully, hurt people, turning that into healed people who heal people. That this world desperately needs more love, more kindness, and for these students to already start understanding that at a very young age, that they can make a difference, make an impact on other people around them, that's beautiful, right? And it's so, that's why I'm so blessed beyond measure to be doing this type of work, because of how vital it is in our world at large today and just in our society in general, that we need these young minds, these young hearts to pick up that flame, to get their hearts sparked and their brains sparked, to really start to create a lasting change. And it starts in their own kids club, right? It starts in their own classroom, at their own school, in their own neighborhood, in their own home, in their own heart. And they really got that today, the heart element behind it. So thank you, the Dolsen Dolphins and Kids Club After School Program, for having me here to be able to share my heart with all of you. You guys touch my heart. Keep that light shining for the rest of this school year and beyond. Again, special thanks to South Lyon Community Coalition and Director Paige George for sponsoring this program here and all the kids clubs throughout the South Lyon Elementaries over the next few weeks. It's been an awesome opportunity getting to work alongside her and her coalition that's all about bringing that same change for our youth, really trying to prevent any negative habits and destructive habits and replace them with something that is more positive in their life, right? With that purpose, with that passion. Finally, feel free to hit the subscribe button you'll see pop up on the screen. Also, you can check out the motivational playlist of videos below, and you can also visit my website through the other link on your video screen to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart one school at a time. Peace.